Hello, my name's Baxter and I'm going to show you a few of my favourite cushion making techniques. And I just thought I'd share with you to start with. These are lovely cushions that I've made with these fab Oxford flap, and it can make a fairly ordinary cushion into something really special. And you can see that it's got quite a lot of quilting around the outside edge, and it just sort of stands proud like this, and it just is a really nice finish to a cushion. So I thought I'd show you how to do it. So first of all, you want to make your cushion top, and effectively what you're going to do is just put a border around the outside edge. So can you see here, I've made my zigzag top here, and I've put a 2.5 inch border of blue round my block.